In this module, we will be covering how to create a Google account. A Google account will allow you to create an email account as well as access other free services that Google provides. To start, we will open the Google Chrome browser. To do this, either click on the icon in the taskbar or type in the search box, Chrome, and then click Enter on your keyboard. Once the web browser is open, go to the address bar and key in google.com. If you have not signed in to a Google account before on this device, you'll see at the top right side of the window the Sign In button. This brings you to the Sign In page. Since we are creating an account, we will click on Create Account. Then click on For My Personal Use. This will bring up the sign-up form. To create an account, you need to fill out the form. Click on the first name box and enter your first name. Then click on the last name box and enter your last name. Then click Next. It will then ask you for your date of birth. For Google, you must be over the age of 13. Click on the Month box. This will bring up a menu that shows all of the months of the year. Select your birth month. Then enter the day you were born in the Day box. Then enter the year you were born in the Year box. Then it will ask you for your gender. Click on the box and select your gender. Then click Next. You will then see a list of available email addresses and an option that says, Create your own Gmail address. For this tutorial, we will select one of the available options. But if you want to create your own, Google will check to see if the email you entered is available for use. The portion of the email before the @gmail.com is also your username. Your email address is the address that is assigned to you, and this is what you can give to others to send emails to you. Now click Next. You will then be asked to enter a password. Passwords should be memorable but hard to guess. You will need to use 8 characters or more and a combination of letters, numbers, and symbols. As an example, we'll put in a password of Pueblo 2024! Since we used letters, numbers, and a symbol, the exclamation point, this password is acceptable. You then need to confirm your new password by retyping it in the Confirm box. Once you have entered your password, click Next. This will then bring you to a page that will ask you to enter some additional information for your security and identity. The recovery email address is optional. A recovery email address is a different email address than your Google or Gmail email address. If you have another email, enter it here. If not, click Skip. You will then see a page that says, Review your account info. Look over this page to make sure everything is correct. Then click Next. It will then bring you to a page that lists Google's privacy terms and terms of service. Read through it. Then, click I agree at the bottom of the page. This will bring up a pop-up talking about personalization. These can be changed at any time, so for now we will click Confirm. You now have a Google account and a Gmail account. This concludes this module. For more information, see the links below.